Very good. We are going with the Navagraha Suktas, and we have covered Chandra, and we have to go on knowing the name of the meaning of this Kuja Graha, Angaraka Graha, and other, though we have noted the mantra and all that, but I will just give a gist of that and we'll go there, because once you recite, I can know, you will know the meanings also. Then now we talk about the Kuja. Though you are written down, you are available, but still once you recite, Om Agnir Murdha Divak Kakutpatihi.
Om Agnir Murdha Divak Kakutpatihi.
Prithivya Ayam.
Prithivya Ayam.
Apagum Retagum Sejinvati.
Apagam Retagam Sejinvati.
Syona Prithvi Bhava.
Syona Prithvi Bhava.
Anrukshara Niveshani.
Anrukshara Niveshani.
Yachana Sarma Sapradha.
Ichhana Sharma Saprathaha.
Kshetrasya Patina Vayam Vayagum.
Kshetrasya Patina Vayagam.
Hitene Majayamasi.
Hitene Vajayamasi.
Gamashvam Poshayitva.
Gamashvam Poshayitva.
Sano Mrudati Druse.
Sano Mrudati Drushe.
Om Hrim Swaha.
Om Dhim Swaha.
Am Namah Swaha.
Am Namah Swaha.
Am Angarakaya Namaha.
Am Angarakaya Namaha.
Om Klaum Aim.
Om Klaum Aim.
Klom Sham.
Klom Sham.
Dharmarajaya Vidmahe Lohitangaya Dhimahi.
Dharmarajaya Vidmahe.
Lohitangaya Dhimahi.
Lohitangaya Dhimahi.
Tanno Bhaumaha Prachodayatu.
Tanno Bhaumaha Prachodayat.
So this Kuja Graha is a very, very powerful planet. Kuja is a war planet, Yuddha Devata, and also he is a planet who governs the blood and other such important parts of our body. He is the overlord, and therefore accordingly all that is connected to Agni. And so Agni Murdha. Agni is at the top, because any and everything will start with Agni. Without Agni, there is nothing. That's Agni Mukha Vai Devaha. And Agni Mukha and Agnihi Prathamo Devaha. Like that, there are so many primary or prime complements to Agni. That's why the word Buddha tells. So how great is Agni, so great is Kuja. And Divaha Kakutpatihi Prithivyaha Ayam Murdha. See, Agni is really foremost to all those who are there in the sky, in the heavens, in all quarters, and upon the earth. Therefore, Agni is ruler or helper at all places. Nobody can go without Agni. And also, Apam Retam Sichinvati. See, Apam Retaha, that is the essence of water. And because Agni is the child of waters, you know that hydroelectric projects are there. All power we are getting only from water. As you are converting the power into cool or hot, fan, light, your refrigerator, your cooler, so many. All these are but only Agni. That's why All that Agni is the essence of the waters. And again now we make a prayer. Syona Prithvi Bhava Amma Prithvi Devi Syona Bhava. Syona means Sukhakartri Bhava. You please be one providing us comfort. Bhumi iddare ellaru comfort. And if you have Bhumi, it will pay you a lot of dividends. What earth gives you, your banks never give you. What dividends that earth gives you. Therefore, you all know. Therefore, we make a prayer to her. Syona Prithvi Bhava. And again, Anrutshara Nivesani. ನಿವೇಶನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಲೇಔಟ್, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿವೇಶನಗಳಲ್ವಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಡಿ ಅವರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿವೇಶನಗಳು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಿವೇಶನ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆರ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ house sites or places where you can have a dwelling. Therefore ನಿವೇಶನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದೇ ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನೃಕ್ಷರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Even though there are places where unwanted things are there, but when you make bhu puja, then mane building etc. ಮಾಡಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ದೋಷಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Sometimes people get allotment of sites in the graveyard. We do not know. When you dig the land to build a house, you will find something like that. So anyway, Anrukshara Nivesini. ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀವೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಹ ಶರ್ಮ ಯಚ್ಛ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಭೂದೇವಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶರ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಶಾಂತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ಯೋಚನಾಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಅಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಷ್ ಇಟ್. Therefore, moreover that Sharma, and that what kind of Sharma it is? Saprathaha. Pratha andre spreading, famous, far reaching. So give me that kind of Shema, far reaching. And Kshetrasya Patina Vayam Hite Ajayamasi. So we should be always Hita. We will be always in good looks of that Kshetrasya Pati, whoever it is, the Lord, that is Mahavishnu also. Kshetrapati yaru? Mahavishnu. You can take Mahavishnu's grace, we always want. And moreover, what more he has to do for us? Gamasvam Poshayitva. So Gam Poshayitva and Ashvam Poshayitva. Gam andre tumba ಅರ್ಥಗಳಿದೆ ಗಾಮ್ ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. Gam means earth. Gam means the cows. Gam means all the food products could be called under Gam, and Vedas also. Gam also means Jnanam. And Ashva is the animal representative, fast, speedy animal. So without the Ashva, we can't have the transport facilities. And so mobility also is important for us. And ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪೋಷಯಿತ್ವ. And Brudati Druse Saha. He has to cast very, very compassionate glances on you. Actually, Saundarya Lahari, Sivananda Lahari, and any stotra tagondre, Amma Drushti is important. Karuna Drushti. That's why we have got Devis marked as Meenakshi, Kamalakshi, Vishalakshi. So like that, you have also an aspect of Devi where her looks are important. And so Druse, Mruda, that is Karuna Drushti, she must have it, and the Kanti. Now, who is this Kuja? He is a Dharmaraja, a highly judicious lord. And what is the complexion, or what is that? Agni. So what is the complexion of Agni? Lohita, red color. So Bhaumaha andre, he is a Bhuputra. Kuja andre arthanama. Ku andre land, Ja andre born. He is a Prithvi. We are all Prithvi Putras. We are all born upon the land. And therefore, Kuja. I hope you understood. So there is relevance when for Kuja planet, Agni mantra is chosen, and also his mother, Earth, has been chosen, and also the Apo Devatas are also connected to Kuja. So you imagine the fluidity in our body is also important, and that is the grace of Kuja. You know that these Navagrahas govern not only our body, also cosmos, also many things. Therefore, we always hope for Navagraha Anugraha. That is the Anugraha or support of all the Anugrahas.
Om Agni Murdha. Om Agni Murdha.
One time ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪೂರ್ತಿ.
Divah Kakutpatihi Prithivya Ayam Apagum Retagumsi Jinvate Syona Prithvibhava Anrukshara Niveshane Yacha Asharma Saprathaha Kshetrasya Patina Vayagum Hitena Avajayamasi
Hitene Majayamasi.
Hitene Vajayamasi Gamashvam Poshayitva Sano Mrudhati Drushe Om Adhidevata Pratyadevata Sahitaya Angarakaya Namaha.
Very good. Now let's go to the next mantra. That is, please repeat. Om Budbudhyasvagne.
Swagne Om Udbudhvaswagne
Budbudhyasvagne Pratijagruhi.
Udbudhyaswagne Pratijagruhe
Pratijagruhi.
Pratijagruhi Pratijagruhi
Yena mishtapurte.
Yena mishta purte Yena ishta purte
Sagum sujetham ayam cha.
Sagum suchetha mayam cha Sagum suchetha mayam cha
Punah krunvaggustva pitaram.
Punah krunvagrustva pitaram Punah krunvagrustva pitaram
Yuvanaman vatagumsi.
Yuvanaman vatagumsi Yuvanaman vatagumsi
Tvayi tantu metam.
Tvayi tantu metam Tvayi tantu metam
Idam Vishnur vichakrame.
Idam Vishnur vichakrame Idam Vishnur vichakrame
Vedhani dadhe padam.
Tredha nidhade padam Tredha nidhade padam
Samudhamasya pagum sure.
Samudhamasya pagum sure Samudhamasya pagum sure
Vishnoratamasi.
Vishnoratamasi Vishnoratamasi
Vishno prishtamasi Vishno.
Vishno prishtamasi Vishno Vishno prishtamasi Vishno
Sraptrestho.
Srapteestho
Vishno syurasi Vishnordhruvamasi.
Vishno syurasi Vishno dhruvamasi Vishno syurasi Vishno dhruvamasi
Vaishnavamasi Vaishnavamasi Vishnavetva.
Vaishnavamasi Vishnavetva Vaishnavamasi Vishnavetva
Om Adhidevata Pratyadevata Sahitaya Budhaya Namaha.
Om Adhidevata Pratyadevata Sahitaya Budhaya Namaha ओम अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय बुधाय नमः।
ॐ ह्रीं स्वाहा
ओम ह्रीं स्वाहा ओम ह्रीं स्वाहा
हं नमः स्वाहा
हम नमः स्वाहा हम नमः स्वाहा
बुम्बुधाय नमः
बुम बुधाय नमः बुम बुधाय नमः
बुं क्षं क्लीं
बुम क्षम क्लीं बुम शम क्लीं
रौहिणेयाय विद्महे ज्ञानाचार्याय धीमहि
रोहिणेयाय धीमहे ज्ञानाचार्याय धीमहि रोहिणेयाय विद्महे ज्ञानाचार्याय धीमहि
तन्नो बुधः प्रचोदयातु
तन्नो बुधः प्रचोदयात् तन्नो बुधः प्रचोदयात्
It's a beautiful prayer. Today is Budhavaram. Buddha is Vishnu. So it is called Vishnuvara. So if you make prayer to Narayana, Vishnu, and this is a Masa. We are in Margasirsha Masa coming to end. Where Masanam Margasirshoasmi. I am the Margasirsha Masa among all Masas because Margasirsha Masa means Sirsha Marga. You understand? Sirsha Marga. Of course, there are many Margas. Among all Margas, we must want shortcut and important foremost Marga. Therefore, among 12 months, the Sirsha Masa yavadu andre Margasirsha Masa. Vedanam Samavedosmi, 1. And again, he takes to Pachinam. So like that, he will be giving selecting the national thing, something like you select the national bird of India, national flower of the country, like that. But national bird of India, they say peacock. But not there others. There are so many birds, but still peacock is given the. So like that, here also Masanam Margasirsha. In this Masa, we have to remember Mahavishnu because Mahavishnu on Vaikuntha Ekadasi day, he gets up from his sleep, Yoga Nidra, and he will be very much active. And moreover, this particular month is close to Makara Sankranti, where Uttarayana Kala, Punya Kala begins. Punya Kala in the sense that there will be more and more galloping of speed and also the heat and all that. So both are good. Dakshinayana and Punya Uttarayana both are good, but only people are subjected to changes depending upon the season. Because Surya Bhagavan also varies. Nana lingatva dhrutunam nana suryatvam. So I wish some of you attend the Rarna Prashna classes this Saturday from 9:30. I don't know. At your 9:30, my 10 o'clock here. And there, all the Aruna Prashna sentences look very beautiful and rhyme. That meaning is too little hard to know and we forget that. But now come back to here. Agni, even Buddha, even Vishnu, they're all Agni manifestations, Agni. Without Agni behind, there is no activity, there is no life at all in the world. You remember? Vasan, we have 98.4 degrees temperature in our body. Heat illa, there is because of that kind of maintenance of the temperature in the body, we are all active. If there were to be different, that's why, Hey Agni, Udbudhyasva, please get awakened of that. Then the moment he gets up, what he has got to do first, Pratijagruhi enam. So not only he gets up, makes the prosperity of the Yajamana also got woke up. So Agni Idane andre Uta Baratte anta artha. So Agni Idane andre namu bekagirava Ishta Purte Samsrujetham Ayam cha. Ishta Purti. Purti andre total. Ishta andre desire. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಡಿಸೈರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಡಿಸೈರ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಗ್ನಿ. Without Agni, no life at all. I need not talk much about it because you are independently powerful to talk about Agni importance. Therefore, Ishtapurte Samsrujetham Ayam Cha. Ayam Cha is plus. Whatever known, you just try to create, and whatever is to be also to be created, which I don't know, you should do it. Because you will come to discover that if God has done what you have wanted, but you never planned for that. Therefore, Ayam Cha Samsrujetham. So, Agniಗೆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಬಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. You see in Stavakam, you are always saying, chame ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ತನಕ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ you stop talking. Therefore, here also, ayam cha sagham srujetham. And again, punaha pitaram krunu tva pitaram yuvanam anvatam si tvayitantu metam. Itantu andre children, grandchildren, and all that lineage. So, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಹಾನುಭಾವ. ನೀವು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬುಧ ಜಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ವಿಷ್ಣು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಎಲಿವೇಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯುವರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಅಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಪುಷ್ಯಮಾಸ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ ಪಾರಾಯಣಂ. Don't think that we are all not gathering at one place. On Purnima day, please stay in your houses and recite the respective Sahasranama and offer something to the gods and goddesses, whatever. So last month I hope we did on Vishnu, and this month we do on Lalita. So here, Pitaram Yuvanam and Tatantu Metam and Adalagmele Idam Vishnu. So here is this Vishnu. What has he done? Vichakrame. Vichakrame means he had very large strides. That's why he's called Tripadurdhavudait Purushaha. So he has got Tripadas. That means 3 strides. Adukosara Vichakrame Endranu, he just performed. And you know the story of Vishnu and how he sent Balichakravarti to Patala Loka, and that is the highest top achievement of Mahavishnu. Of all the achievements of Vishnu, which is that which is giving the red mark underlining, that is called Vichakramana. Viseshena Chakravat Kramanam Vichakramanam. Chakravatu, like revolving wheel. He has the revolving wheel under Arthanama, covering the any and every place. So wheel has not got any specific limitation. So it is all points on the wheel are important. Time is a wheel. That's why wheel of time we say that. So Chakrame, that is Chakravat, he just covered the entire cosmos. Chakrame, and moreover, how did he do it? Tredha nidadhe padam. His padam, he put his pada in 3 strides. Tredha andre, in 3 manners, in 3 steps he has done, he has covered. And asya pamsure samudham. Pamsu andre dust. And so the whole universe, whole earth, everything is the dust. Everything is the anugraha of Mahavishnu. And moreover, O Deva, you are the Rarata. Rarata andre, Rarata is the Lalata. Lalata gottu nimge. Ra la yora bhedaha. Lalata andre forehead. So the forehead of the Vishnu. Prushthamasi. Prustham means the back or the support. Prushthamasi. And Sraptra is the lips. Saptrestosi. So these are all the parts of the Mahavishnu, symbolic, significant and metaphorical. And Vishno Syurasi. Syu is the needle. Needle means the driving force. And Dhruvamasi, a confirmation about that. And Vaishnavamasi, the whole Buddha Agraha is totally overpowered by or occupied by or the projected energy of Vishnu. Vaishnavamasi. And therefore, all that prayer that you do to Buddha, Graha, or otherwise, it all goes to Vishnu. So Vishnave, Tva Vishnave, you are all pervading. Vishnu means all pervading force. No, that's why Vishvam, Vishnuhu, Vashatkaraha. So what is this Vishwam? This Vishwam is Vishnu. What is Vishnu? Vishnu is Vishwam. So this is what we are introduced in this Vishnu Sahasranama, the very opening names of Vishnu to be that. And now you have got the Mula Mantra. We'll go to the Mula Mantra, the other things you can understand. And now you please repeat. Bhum Ksham Klim.
Bhum Ksham Klim. Bhum Ksham Klim.
Rauhineyaya Vidmahe.
Rauhineyaya Vidmahe. Rauhinenaya Vidmahe.
Yes.
Om Hrim Swaha Am Namaha Swaha Pum Budaya Namaha Pum Ksham Klim Rohineshaya Vidmahe Nanacharjaya Dhimahi Tanno Buddha Prachodayat.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೌಹಿಣೇಯಾಯ ವಿದ್ಮಹೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಬಾಬು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಮಾರ್ಪಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ರೌಹಿಣೇಯ ನಂದನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವಿದ್ಮಹೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ರೌಹಿಣೇಯಾಯ ವಿದ್ಮಹೆ
ರೌಹಿಣೇಯಾಯ ವಿದ್ಮಹೆ
ಜ್ಞಾನಾಚಾರ್ಯಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ
ಜ್ಞಾನಾಚಾರ್ಯಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ
ತನ್ನೋ ಬುಧಃ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತು.
ತನ್ನೋ ಬುಧಃ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತು.
Vidmahe means I know. What do you know about Buddha? As a Rohini, as the son of Rohini, Chandra's wife. Chandra and Rohini are the parents. So he's a god, he's Atreya son, and and Buddha is Rohini Putra. And Rohini is just Jyotisham Sreshtha ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. So Rohini is the wife of Chandra and Buddha is the son of Rohini. అమ్మ పేరు చెప్పుకున్నారు. సామాన్యంగా అమ్మ పేరు చెప్పుకోవడం మహా అదృష్టం. దేర్ఫోర్ అందరికీ ఎలాంటి ఉండదు. ఆదిత్య అను సూర్యుడికి మాత్రమే ఆదిత్య ಅದಿತಿ ಪುತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೌಹಿಣೇಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಹಿಣಿ ದೇವಿಯಾ ಪುತ್ರ. ರೌಹಿಣೇಯ ಇಸ್ ಅ ತಥಿತ ಸಮಾಸ. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಬುಧ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಹಿಣಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗಾಡ್? ಜ್ಞಾನಾಚಾರ್ಯಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ. ಈಸ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಹೂ ಎಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇನ್ ಯು. ಜ್ಞಾನ ಈಸ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಬುಧಗ್ರಹನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು, ಲೀಡರ್ಸು, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಇರೋರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬುಧಗ್ರಹ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಬುಧ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್, he will check the location of Buddha and tell your jatakam. Arthvaita. So Jnanacharya. And what kind of jnana? He will not only give you mundane jnana, he will also give you the spiritual jnana. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ್ವಾರ ಕವಾಟ ಪಾಟನ ಕರಿ ಕಾಶೀಪುರಾಧೀಶ್ವರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಜ್ಞಾನ. ನಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ BA, BSc, BCom, BE, MBA, ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ ಮಹೇಶು ಮಹೇಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಶೇಷಾಚಲಯ ನಮ್ಮ MBA, BA, BSc, PhD won't give any credential when you once leave the body ಅಲ್ವಾ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಬಾಡಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, we are nobody when we came and we would be also nobody when we go away, but in between only you have to make somebody of you. Who are you? Somebody. Therefore for that something you have got to have the Buddhanugraha. Therefore Gnanacharyaya Dhimahi. Therefore we make a prayer to Buddha, Aya Mahanubhava, ನಮಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರಸಾದನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇನ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ನಹಿ ಜ್ಞಾನೇನ ಸದೃಶಂ ಪವಿತ್ರಂ ಇಹ ವಿದ್ಯತೆ. ಯು ಆಲ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ಜಯಂತಿ and noted so much about it. This time I hope you marked that not simply we talked about Bhagavad Gita, we had also other important Gitas being mentioned and discoursed in the talk, is it not? So when great scholars who have done a lot of research, NCB Nath ಅಂತವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅನುಗೀತಾ, ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ, ಉದ್ಧವ ಗೀತಾ, ಉತ್ತರ ಗೀತಾ, ಈ ಗೀತೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ವೇರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈಸ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಹೂ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ 3 ಗೀತಾಸ್, ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ, ಉದ್ಧವ ಗೀತಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನುಗೀತಾ. And 3 folds or in 3 angles Krishna spoke in 3 Gitas. ಈ ಗೀತಾ ಬುಕ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ, ಗೀತಾ ಒಬ್ಬತ್ತಿ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಗೀತಾ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2500 ಶ್ಲೋಕಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ NCB Nath has brought into 1 volume and that is there in digitalized. And supposing if it comes out in a concrete manner, book form, it will be a strong contribution. So he has done such a great research in Bhagavad Gita and all that and made it. So you can see in our Veda Ganga, I don't know whether you have scrolled through the pages. When hard copy comes, you can see a great major portion of the Veda Ganga is occupied by the article on Gita Sahitya by Dr. Nath, who is a non-vegetarian, touching 90 years and more. So ಶತಮಾನ ಶತಾಯುಷಿ ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಋಷಿ ಆಫ್ ಏನ್ಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್, ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಹೂ ಗಾಟ್ PhD in 1952. ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ PhD ಯಾರು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ PhD ಇನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾಥ್. And Uddhava Gita, Anugita is very important. So this time our Bhagavad Gita is very important. And usually, Sankara, now in the morning hour, I am talking about Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, very important, Karma Yoga. Because Krishna was posed a question by Arjuna, you karma important, buddhi important, anta keltanalva. Or this Sankhya. Then Krishna has to kim sreyaha mama. Is it karma shreyas or buddhi Sankhya shreyas? Then Krishna comes out with a solution. First of all, think of action. Then the action is the foundation. From then everything comes up. So that's what is called Gnana, Jnana Karma. So that's why here is Gnanacharyaya Dhimahi. Acharya andre artha eno? Acharam upadishati, acharam acharati swayam. Iti yaha acharya anta. ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಜ್ಞಾನಾಚಾರ್ಯ. ಧೀಮಹಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್, ವಿದ್ಮಹೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, CV, ಅಂಡ್ ವಿದ್ಮಹೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಧೀಮಹಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ ಎ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ, ದಟ್ ಸೋ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ Buddha. That is, he will be giving the necessary intelligence and all that. Now, I request this Muniraj to utter my mantra, this one, Brihaspati. Unmute and tell me, Om Brihaspate Atiyadaryo.
Om Om Bruhaspate Atiyadaryo.
Om Bruhaspate Atiyadaryo.
Om Bruhaspate Atiyadaryo.
Arhat Jumadvibhati.
Arad Yumadvibhati. Arad Yumadvibhati.
Kratu Majjaneshu.
Kratumajjaneshu. Kratumajjaneshu.
Yaddidavachavasa.
Yaddiyachavasa.
Yaddida. No, please mark it. Yaddida Yachavasa.
Yaddidaya yachavasa. Yaddidaya yachavasa.
Rata Prajata.
Rata prajata. Rata prajata.
Tadasmasu Dravinam Dehi.
Tadasmasu dravinam dehi. Tadasmasu dravinam dehi.
Chitram
Chitram. Chitram.
Indra Marutva.
Indra marutva. Indra marutva.
Ihapahi Somam.
Yapahi somam. Yapahi somam.
Yathacharyate.
Yata sharyate. Yata sharyate.
Apibas Sutasya.
Abibas sutasya. Abibas sutasya.
Tava praniti tava shura sharman.
Tava praniti. Tava shura sharman. Tava praniti.
Praniti tava shura. But we have to utter the Veda Aksharas. In fact, Akshara Brahma, Om Ityeka Aksharam Brahma. In fact, there was one lady who is a webmaster, Satya, you have seen her also, Satyavani from California, a great lady, engineer and all that. She is trying to work out on the Akshara Yoga and Akshara and all that. So, Akshara, actually, what are our Vedas and mantras? They are all sounds only. Therefore, what we utter is only a sound, but that sound gets translated in our mind because we have the equipment in our mind, in our brain, that the sounds received through our ears, the auditory canal, that will be made sense to us, and that is really a miracle and God's Ashirvada. So that's why we always say, Bhadram Karne Visrunuyama Deva. Why? Srunu, sound. The whole world is only sound. Without sound, without dhvani, there is no life at all. The entire world would have been dipped in darkness. Idamandham temakrutnam jayeta bhuvanatrayam yadi sabdahvayam jyotihi asamsaram nadipyate. He is a Dandin, a great Sanskrit scholar. He says that if that Shabda Jyoti is not there shining all over the world, then the whole world would have been pitch darkness. And the Idamandham Tamaha Krutsanam, the whole world would have been pitch darkness. So those ear power, people whose ear power is low, no, you can see the torture that they undergo that. No, that's why the sound is important. Here, we are just making a prayer to the Bruhaspati like this. Yes. Shura Sharman Navivasanti.
Shura Sharman Naviva. Shura Sharman Navivasanti.
Correct. Shura Sharman Navivasanti. Kavayasu Yagna.
शूरशर्मन्नाविवासन्ति कवयः सुयज्ञः शूरशर्मन्नाविवासन्ति कवयः सुयज्ञः.
Very good. Brahmajnanam.
ब्रह्मज्ञानम् ब्रह्मज्ञानम्
Prathamam purastat.
प्रथमं पुरस्तात् प्रथमं पुरस्तात्
Visimata surucho.
विसीमतः सुरुचो विसीमतः सुरुचो
Vena avaha.
वेन आवह वेन आवह
Buddhiya upama asya.
सबुद्निया उपमा अस्य सबुद्निया उपमा अस्य
Vishtha satascha yonim.
विष्टा सतश्च योनि विष्टा सतश्च योनि
Masatascha vivaha.
मसतश्च विभवः मसतश्च विभवः.
Om adhidevata pratyadidevata sahitaya.
ओम अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय ओम अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय
बृहस्पतये नमः.
बृहस्पतये नमः बृहस्पतये नमः.
ओम
ओम ओम
हम नमः स्वाहा.
हम नमः स्वाहा हम नमः स्वाहा.
ओम ह्रीं स्वाहा.
ओम ह्रीं स्वाहा ओम ह्रीं स्वाहा.
भ्रूं बृहस्पतये नमः.
ब्रूं बृहस्पतये नमः ब्रूं बृहस्पतये नमः.
आं क्रों
आं क्रों आं क्रों
ह्रीं
दीं दीं
आंगीरसाय विद्महे.
अंगीरसाय विद्महे
आंगीरसाय विद्महे.
आंगिरसाय विद्महे आंगिरसाय विद्महे.
सुराचार्याय धीमहि.
सुराचार्याय धीमहि सुराचार्याय धीमहि.
तन्नो गुरुः प्रचोदयातु.
तन्नो गुरुः प्रचोदयात् तन्नो गुरुः प्रचोदयात्.
So Guru, Brihaspati, these are the two words which we use for the Brihaspati Graha. Guru means all kinds of negativity, all kinds of problems, health problems, psychological problems, professional problems, all problems. If you go to Acharya, any astrologer, he will just look at your Guru and he will look at the position of the Guru. Now, see, Guru Shani combination, otherwise this one, they have all been marking it. So, there is that, therefore, and this Guru is the Brihaspati, is the Acharya, always giving you or guiding you. The gods are good people. Therefore, we are making a prayer. Janeshu kratumat vibhati. So, among the people, the work of the Guru is to make them wise and intelligent. Kratu andrenu, intelligent, wise, able to perform some ritualistic activity, and that's what it is. Kratu janeshu, and ati yadaryaha arhat Jumat vibhati. Jumat means shining, lustrous. Vibhati is quite brilliantly, brightly shining forth. And that is the nature of the Brihaspati Graha. Probably you must have seen the star, Brihaspati star, but it will be quite shining, bright and brilliant. And moreover, so we are asking him, Asmasu Dravinam Chitram Dehi. O Brihaspati, you please bestow to us Dravinam Chitram. That is Chitram Dravinam. Wonderful. What will be Chitram Dravinam? What will be their surprising gift from Brihaspati? It is moksham. You want liberation and freedom from all mundane attachments and success in that. When once you are successful, then you will be more and more elevating yourself in your own elevated activities. Illa andre adaralle munuvokti now. So even Surya Bhagavan also is made a prayer, he is given a prayer or submitted a prayer that he should also give Dravidam Dehi Chitram. This is the common desire submitted to the gods. Yelli andre asmasu nammalli, and yacha, please provide, and also Rata Prajata Tadasmasu, and also promote the good behavior among the people. Guru chennagidre ಒಳ್ಳೆ behavior baratte. So for your etiquette and manners and behavior, who is responsible? Guru. And again you are turning to your attention to Indra. You are asking him, Indra Marutva Iha Pahi Somam Yatha Saryate Abhivat Sutasya. Aya Indradevane Marutva andre Maruts. There are 7 Maruts who are constant companions to Indra, who is the king of all gods. So you are asking, and moreover is a Kshatriya, he is a Maharaja, he is a defense provider, and he is a Rakshaka. So a king has to protect, a Brahmin has to officiate, a Vaisya has got to distribute, and a Sudra has to be protecting and supporting the society. So here, even among the gods also, the same kind of organizational activity is there. Devatagalali kuda nam tarahane avaru kashta padtare. Don't think that gods are happy always sitting in the armchair. Illa avaru armchair alle kutkolodilla. Ee kaaladalli senior citizens armchair kutkolodilla. Aa kaaladalli if you visit older houses, and they used to have a very big substantial armchair. Now that has disappeared in India. Actually my grandfather had such a beautiful armchair. Adu tumba. But ಈಗ ಪಾಪ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ ತರ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸು, ಟಿವಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮೀಡಿಯಾ. ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ ಸುಖ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂದ್ರ ಮರುತ್ವ ಇಹ ಪಾಹಿ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನೋ, ವೆರೆವರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್, please protect me. And yatha sutasya sarya te abhibatu, ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಸೋಮರಸವನ್ನು ಕುಡಿದು ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತೀಯೋ, ಆ ಸೋಮರಸವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತೀಯೋ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ you please protect me and my family, my nation, like that. And ತವ ಪ್ರಣೀತಿ ತವ ಶೂರ ಶರ್ಮನ್ ಆವಿವಾಸಂತಿ ಕವಯ ಸುಯಜ್ಞ. ಈ ಕವಿಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ತರಹ ಪೂಜಾ ಪುನಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಶುದ್ಧರಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ತೃಪ್ತಿಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ Brahmins, because if a Brahmin is there, then he will be doing puja on your behalf, so you will be taken care by that. That's what you know the sankalpa. And Brahma Jagnanam Prathamam Purastad. See, Gnanam, who is that we are given the Gnanam? Brahma Deva. Brahma is the repository of all knowledge. And so Brahma Jagnanam, so Brahmaninda ಬಂದಿರುವ ವೇದ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಿಯ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದಲೇ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಟಾಪ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಸುರುಚಃ ವೇನ ಆವಹ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವೇದಗಳನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ವೇದಗಳು ಯಾರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ದೇವತಾ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮದೇವನು ವೇನ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ವೇನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ. ಅವನು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆವಹ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ದೋ ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರಹಸ್, ದೇವತಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ cooperates and coordinates and focus their attention to see that the human kind or mankind is being supported. Then asya vishtha sataha yonim asatasya vivaha upama asya. So you make a prayer to Brahaspati that whatever source we have got, all that source should be made rightful for me or righteous for me, that I will have a righteous behavior and I will be able to elevate myself to that. So this is what we say. And who is this Brahaspati? Now you know that Brahaspati. Repeat Gita avare heli Om Dram Sam. I'm sorry, just 1 minute. I'm going skip. You now repeat the correct one. Om Angi Om Am Krom Yim.
Om Am Krom Yim. Om Am Krom Yim.
Angirasaya Vidmahe.
Angirasaya Vidmahe. Angirasaya Vidmahe.
Suracharyaya Dhimahi.
Duracharyaya Dhimahi. Suracharyaya Dhimahi.
Tanno Guru Prachodayatu.
Tanno Guru Prachodayat. Tanno Guru Prachodayat.
So, Yuru Angirasa Maharshiya Maga. Who is that? That's why he is called as a Angirasaya Vidmahe. He is the son of Angirasa. Okay, all the planets have come into power, have come into emergence only because of the Rishis. Because Rishis are all Srishtikartas, contributing for the enhancement of the spirituality and also welfare of the society. So I know, O Guru, the son of or belonging to Angirasa Maharshi. And what is the profession? He is called Suracharya. He is the preceptor for all gods. And he is called Guru. Guru means Ajnana Nashakaha. So Ajnana, Gu is Ajnana, Ru is Rundhana. So Ajnana Rundhana, you become wise and happy and protective. Therefore, ಈ ಗುರು ಗ್ರಹ, ಗುರು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಬುಧವಾರ ಗುರು ಸ್ಮರಣ, ಬುಧ ಸ್ಮರಣ and Kuja Smarana Madi, we are concluding our installment of Takahan Navagraha. And next we'll go to Shukra, and you keep practicing these things. Now Om Swasti.